Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel Study with Sim. Today we will be learning the topic Kingdom Classification. So before we start, please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell. So let's move on with the video. So let's start with the history of classification. So here as you can see, I have made a mind map or a little table to understand the history of classification. So the first here is Aristotle. Aristotle was the person who divided living things into two kingdoms, which was Kingdom Plante and Kingdom Animalia. Now Carolus Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus. So we will learn about him in detail in the next slide. Robert Whittaker. Robert Whittaker proposed five kingdom classification. So let's see about Carlos Linnaeus now. Carl Linnaeus. Now the first thing here in the table is Systema Naturally, first edition. Did you know that Carl Linnaeus has written a bunch of other editions of Systema Naturally? But the first one was written in 1735. The next thing is Species Plantarium. This is also a book. This was written by Carl Linnaeus in 1753. Binomial nomenclature. Now this is a standardized binomial naming system of naming animals and plant species. So let's move on to the five kingdom classification. Five kingdom classification. The first kingdom here is Monera. Monera are unicellular and prokaryotes. They do not have a well-defined nucleus. Some of them have cell walls. They are heterotrophic and autotrophic. Protista. Protista is a unicellular and eukaryotes. Its locomotion is cilia and flagella. They are heterotrophic and autotrophic both. Fungi. Fungi is unicellular and multicellular both and is a eukaryote. Its cell wall is made up of a substance called chitin or chitin. It is a heterotrophic, saprophytic and parasitic. Let's move on to our next kingdom. Kingdom Plante. Kingdom Plante. Now they are multicellular and eukaryotes. The cell wall is made up of cellulose. They are autotrophic and are stationary. Kingdom Animalia. Now Kingdom Animalia are multicellular, heterotrophic and eukaryotes and have a well-defined nucleus. So now in my next video, I'll explain you the Kingdom Animalia in more detail. But for this video, we only did this much. So let's move on. Now let's see the definition of these two terms. The first term here is taxonomy. Taxonomy is the science of defining groups of biological organisms on the basis of shared characteristics and giving names to those groups. Organisms. Organisms. One of the definitions of organism states that it is a form of life composed of mutually interdependent parts that maintain various vital processes. Thank you for watching. Before you leave, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, Smash the like button and share this video. Thank you.